Yeah, welcome everyone. Good day, welcome everyone. Yeah, I want to show us how we can actually withdraw our USDT that was actually promised by Guru Network. Now, the minimum withdrawal is 3,000 Guru. The minimum withdrawal is 3,000 Guru. And I quickly want to show us around how you can withdraw it. Remember, please, that the USDT network that Guru Network is using is BNB network, BEP20 network, not any other network, but BEP20 network. Now, and how can you get your BEP20 network? That's a BNB network, USDT BNB. Now, I will be taking us through this. Just watch it to the end so that you will not skip any part of the video. Now, I will be using Remitano. I'll be using Remitano. Now, before you withdraw, you must update your wallet. Now, I'll be using Remitano. This is my Remitano. I've now opened my Remitano. So when you reach here at your Remitano, you click on your wallet. When you click on your wallet, you see USDT. Click on your USDT and then click on deposit. Click on deposit. You see we have TRC20. We have BNB, which is the one that we're going to be using, and then we have other addresses also there. Look at it. We have Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, etc., etc. But the one we're using is BEP20, so I'm going to copy BEP20. I'm using my Remitano instead. Now, come to your app, your Grow Network app. When you come to your Grow Network, I'll click here at the menu section. Click on withdraw. You see what it will tell you: 3,000. Right, 3,000. See what they will tell you. You see minimum withdrawal is 3,000. Now look at it. You will say, "Oh, please what set your address before withdrawing in your profile." Now, before we move on, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly take this time and subscribe. You see, we bring updated information as regards crypto and forex. Don't miss out on any of this information for any reason. Don't miss out. Make sure you are updated. Click the notification bell so that you be notified. Subscribe and also share this video with your family and friends so that they will know how to withdraw their Gold Network today. Remember, it is today that is the deadline for withdrawal. If they do not withdraw today, they will not be able to withdraw again till another month. It's once a month. So take advantage of this period and share this video, share the link, let them get to know how to withdraw and how to set their wallet, their withdrawal wallet on the Grow Network. Now this is it. You come here, go to your profile. Now you go to your profile, click tap to update. You see tap to update, click tap to update. Sorry. Now after clicking tap to update, I want to update my number too. Now this is the wallet address. You put the wallet address, BEP20. Now we have BEP20, we have TRC20. See, we have BEP20, we have TRC20. So if it's TRC, you put TRC. If it is BEP, you put BEP. Now click update profile. Now the profile has been updated. Let's click to see it. It has not changed, but it should be updated by now. Let me just try it again and see. BEP20. Okay, let me leave it like that. Let me see. Now after doing this, come to withdrawal, and then you put the amount, which is 3,000, of course. 3,000, and then click on withdraw. Okay, amount must be between 7,000. Amount must be between what? 7,000. So you see, the benchmark has been raising up, which means that I can't withdraw because I don't have up to 7. Okay, see, it's a quick one, quick amount: 7,000, 10,000, 12,000, 500, 15,000. So this is just how to withdraw. My details have been updated already. This is just how to withdraw. So guys, share this video for as many that are eligible. They have up to 7,000 they can withdraw. You see, it's working. It showed me that it means that my address too has been updated, but it's now showing me that the minimum is 7,000 instead of showing me that I need to update my wallet address. So thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.